All right, so I got this in the mail the other day. This is from Cologne Curators. I actually do not know what's in here, so let's find out. Thank you so much, Cologne Curators. Can't wait to test this out. Let's see what I got. I got a card, comes with a promo code. Thank you so much for that. I'm not going to show it on live right now. Please note our 1 ml samples are filled halfway as they are in 2 ml vials. Awesome, appreciate it. And the website, for those who don't know, it is colognecurators.com. So for those who don't know who Cologne Curators are, they are a fragrance sample company. So if you are curious, like, hey, I want Paradise Garden from JPG, but I don't know whether it's worth the purchase, or I want this expensive niche fragrance and I don't know if it's worth the purchase, you can get a sample of the fragrances. Feels like there are 3 in here, and then you can test it out. So again, scissors time, 1 second. Be very careful on this. There we go. People ask if I can use scissors. I don't know if you can see that, but I can. I don't like using them all the time. All right, let's see what they sent me. I got LeBeau Paradise Garden. You gotta be kidding me. I got Paradise Garden. I can finally test this fragrance out. Holy cow, you have no idea how excited I am about this. Woo! I won that one for a while. Cipresso di Toscani, Acqua di Parma. Ooh, I love Acqua di Parma. Again, another good one. That is a niche brand. They have some really nice fragrances. Typically, they're not that expensive on discounters, so you could get a sample of this, see do I like it, and then just go for town. I think I saw them for like 60, 70 bucks online sometimes. Tobacco Honey from Guerlain. Okay, hold on. I have heard this is one of the best fragrances out there. This is supposed to be insanity. I got 3 banners. I cannot wait to test these out. So in the future, I'll do some videos of this, testing them out. Let's be real. Everyone's curious about one of them in particular. Let's just do it right now. And I'm not going to waste this on paper. I'm just going straight on skin. Let's go left arm. Now, I will say, you're going to see I'm not the best at spraying these. Well, that was darn easy. Thank you. Typically, these type of vials I have a hard time with, and they just don't work with my hands necessarily. So I have to usually put it on like a table and just spray down and hope it doesn't go flying, which it has. Wow. So when I shot this video or decided to shoot this video, I didn't think I was going to spray one. I got Paradise Garden. I had to spray it on. This is really good. This is really good. So, for those who don't know, LeBeau is, I think, the best JPG Le Male summer fragrance. You can say line necessarily because it's LeBeau and LeBeau Le Parfum, so I guess it's the line. Flingers. It is a beautiful tropical coconut fragrance. It smells incredible. Great performance for some people. Unfortunately, on my skin, it doesn't last long, so I've never purchased a full bottle. I have 2 vials that were sent when I bought Elixir from JPG. They said pick 2 on the website, so I picked those 2. I'm like, sure, let's do it. I smelled LeBeau, but let's get both. This smells good. It smells really good. It's like a greener version. I don't remember the notes. I remember looking at the notes when it was coming out thinking this sounds incredible. I believe there's apple in it. It kind of has like a Greenly from Parfums de Marly and a LeBeau combined smell to it. At least that's what I'm getting right now. Again, this is initial impressions. I don't know anything about dry down. I don't know about longevity, performance, sillage, any of that stuff. This is the first I've ever smelled this fragrance. And if I were to get, say, even just 7 hours with this, I would buy this fragrance in a heartbeat. This is really good. This is really good. Dane. Hey, again, this was sent to me by Cologne Curators. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's great to be able to have a fragrance sent to me from you guys. That's 3 of them. I can't wait to follow up on them, talk more. Again, I'll put the link down below. I'll tag them here on TikTok. If anyone is interested in samples, they have some great deals out there. So again, this is Nubs Fragrance. Talk to you soon. Soon.